Thank you, sir. Now we gladly honor to invite Mr. Nandha Shivdikar, Chairman of National Association of Fisheries, to deliver his thoughts to spread wisdom. Welcome, sir.
Good evening. I am proud to be here on this auspicious ocean occasion with the presence of Honorable Justice Sir and our guest, Law Commission, and also welcome our Prabhakaranji, Dr. Nagesh Babuji, with Vasukiji. I am proud because IAS Kurukshetra Academy has been a legend to my mind, promoting the pillars of future India. And it's a proud moment to be blessed. I was here to bless the occasion, but I am blessed with the auspicious gathering of such a dignitaries and host of these students who have performed here. It is nice to see an encouragement to all of us. This is catering to the community of fishermen on the coastal regions. In coming future, I bless this academy will be one of the renowned in the country. Dear friends, on this occasion, I have seen what a unique achievement can be, the performance shown by the students themselves in a various cultural and art form. And it's a great revelation as MuthuSippigal, the revelation of education in this field. As a National Association of Fishermen, we are proud to be connected with this academy and the achievements of this academy. It's nice in future to be together with you to witness the achievements and encouragements from yourself. Thank you for blessing me. Thank you again. Namaskar.
Kurukshetra, 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 Kurukshetra.